Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change capital letter to lowercase in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document. First select the text. So I select here the text, then go to the Home tab. In Home tab in font group there are one option, change case. Okay, you can see one capital A and one small a, lowercase a. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the lowercase option. You can see the changes on my Word document when I click on the lowercase option. See, the letter is converted in lowercase. Okay, and if you want to change again in uppercase, same as click on the drop down arrow and you can select uppercase. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.